channel. Today is a Dollar Tree review day. I am so happy to say I have found resin again at the Dollar Trees after waiting for about more than a year, going in and checking and seeing nothing on the shelves. But before I dive into the resin and hardener review, I wanted to try and do this whole video using as many Dollar Tree items as possible. I found this tumbler spinner. It is powered by 4 AA batteries. It was $5 at the Dollar Tree and can be found in the plus aisles, available in certain stores. Other items in this video from the Dollar Tree will be the tumbler, which was also $5 and in the plus aisles also. Along with that, later you will see the resin and hardener and also the vinyl that created the decal for the tumbler. The glitter is from Amazon or Hobby Lobby, just what I had laying around, but I did see the exact colors at the Dollar Tree recently, so it could have been done, but I just used what I had. If you are new to my channel and seeing my videos for the first time, please hit that subscribe button below. It is free to do so and helps my channel out a lot. I love reviewing, crafting, and showing you guys what you will find inside a Dollar Tree. Plus, with the holidays coming up, I'm excited to do more Dollar Tree DIY crafts. Now on to the Dollar Tree resin and hardener review, the reason you clicked on this video. I have seen the resin and hardener in the Dollar Tree before. Actually, about a year ago, around June 2023, I made a video reviewing it and it actually did really well. A lot of people saw it and I'm still surprised and so appreciative to this day. But that resin was sold in a pack and for $5 in the plus aisles. I went into a regular Dollar Tree and found this resin and hardener in the craft aisles and sold separately for $1.25 each. As soon as I saw it, I grabbed a few bottles and I'm actually frustrated in myself for not getting more. But it's fine, hopefully when I go back, it's still there. Now the first resin I got a year ago were 2 bottles that had 3 ounces of product. These new bottles only have 1 ounce of product in it. But let's see how this tumbler goes and I'll give my final review of the spinner, resin, and the decal at the end. In the end, if you wanted to try this craft just to make 1 or 2 tumblers, then I would say this is a good deal. But if you are relying on this tumbler spinner for professional outcomes, I wouldn't put my trust in it. It did well, but it did slip up a few times, and if I wasn't there watching it, the cup would have been on the table and a mess. Also, the whole thing with the batteries, you never know when it's going to stop spinning. So again, if it's just for a few times, for fun, go for it. The resin, I don't have any big complaints. It's hard because I really loved the first brand of resin that the Dollar Tree carried. But this one did fine. It was a smooth finish, you can't feel any of the glitter or the decal, and it's a good cup to carry around. But I don't think for big projects I would invest in a 1 ounce bottle of resin, when there are other good brands out there that you would get more for your money in the long run. I'm interested in testing this resin out with molds or a flat surface, to see if there's any yellowing or tackiness. So I guess stay tuned and subscribe below to see that video when it comes out. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you see resin in your Dollar Trees, let me know below.